Hello viewers, welcome to bvision YouTube channel. How to disassemble a computer. Documentation of how to disassemble a desktop PC. Welcome to part 2. If you're not watched part 1, click on I button. Pull on the tab, then slide the graphic card out. To remove SSD from computer, unscrew the 2 screws and pull out. To remove from computer, unscrew the 2 screws and pull out. To remove DVD drive out from the computer, first open front panel of the computer, and then pull the DVD drive from inside to outside. The CPU fan is located right on top of the CPU heatsink, which is a large piece of metal with fins on the top. To remove the fan from the heatsink, remove the 4 screws securing it in place. Unplugging the processor. Flip the metal bar to loosen the metal clamp that holds the CPU in place. Carefully raise the clamp away from the CPU after you loosen it. Then, use 2 fingers to lift the CPU out of its socket. Lift the processor directly upward, and avoid moving it side to side while in its socket. The motherboard has 7 screws holding it to the frame, which are indicated by large white circles around them. Remove those 7, then lift the motherboard out of the frame. Removing the motherboard. Remove the screws that secure the motherboard to the computer case. Be careful not to let your screwdriver touch the motherboard itself when removing these screws, as it may cause damage. Once you have removed all the mounting screws, you may carefully remove the motherboard from the computer case. I hope you enjoyed my video and please subscribe my channel and like.